Good morning, Marlene. Thank you for joining me. Please, if you would, share what brought you to the Winter Wellness Center.
January 11th, we were having an ice storm in Gainesville this year, and I got out there, was behaving badly, was getting ice off the windshield, and slipped on the ice, and my left hip took all of it. I knew something was wrong immediately, went to the ER. Sure enough, I had snapped the ball joint right off the top of the femur and had to have full hip replacement. Great experience with the doctor, great experience with my physical therapy that was coming 3 times a week, but there was an unsettling with my progress with physical therapy. Even though I was religiously, dutifully doing my exercises and all of that, I could tell it wasn't complete. It was incomplete. And there was a lot of pain and that sort of thing. And then I remember hearing about Dr. Winter helping somebody who had avoided ligament tendon surgery completely, and he helped them get back without having that recommended surgery. And I thought, I'm just going to give it a try. And I gave it a try. I came in and had the consultation, decided, you know what, I'm going to go for it. So then I came in for the evaluation and started coming in for sessions after that. And I really believe I'm a new person. People who have witnessed my progress, I mean, I was walking without a wobble at 2 months. And people who have seen my progress have been inspired and even said, I believe you've had a miracle. And I'm one of the first believers that I think I experienced a miracle from learning about the energy flow in my body and my role in being in charge of that. It's really been so helpful, not just in that area, but in other things too now. It's been really great.